Hello, everyone.
Sir,
Everyone can share, can
Yes, sir, we can hear your voice.
yeah. And
you are little
screen also,
clear,
screen also.
but here very less today. Yes, yes, screen also is visible.
Oh, correct. So previous, we discussed so many things, okay. Okay. So, before that, all these things we need to understand the devices, how it will work, what is the command, okay, what is the router, what is the switch, how is the internal, external components, all these things. Before that, we need to follow the rules. Rules. How the devices should be worked, which protocol it will be work, okay, which protocol devices can understand, how the process will happen. So we need to follow that rule. So who will define the rule? Who will define the rule? So one.
Sir, you muted yourself. सर आप अपने आप को म्यूट कर लिए या गलती से हो गया पता नहीं आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही
Actually, sir has got a call. Like he'll be joining in a minute. Just
Yes,
be
yes.
patient, okay?
Yes, I'll come back. Okay, sorry.
okay sorry sir
Okay, right. So before that, we need to follow the rule. But who will define the rule? Who will define? Okay. Why need to follow the rule? First thing. Why need to follow the rule? Okay. So before that one, earlier I'm talking about the earlier network. So monopoly is there. So mine is the biggest company. So what are the products I make? So everybody using. So monopoly is there. So that will not happen. So big company organization is run. Okay, small company, medium scale company, they can't make a like a product or new things. Okay, new products, new features. They cannot do it. Why? Because you want to make a product, any product, so you have to make like that. Okay, that company is monopoly. So that is the reason many company is not follow so the rule. So that is the reason one organization that can be built and the organization set up for this problem to solve this problem. Okay, monopoly. Okay. So they want to across the globe, across the technology you can use is one technology everybody should use. So before that, I'm talking about earlier, for example, connector. So connector, every VLC connector, connection is a VLC connector, okay. So give an example. Because communication purpose, my IBM company is there, Microsoft company is there, so they are using their own protocol. For example, in we discussed, so Microsoft NetView protocol is there. IBM is used different. Apple use Apple Talk protocol. So they want the communication the device between. So Apple use their own protocol, IBM use own protocol, Microsoft is use own protocol. So that time a different company wants a communication so it creates the problem. For example, in that screen, you can easily understand. So here the devices is there. For example, Apple use the Apple Talk protocol. So the communication between these devices, they are used same protocol. They were like that 100 years back. If you are some Bengal or you are belong to the some Bengal, Gujarat, Maharashtra, so these people talk only that particular language, even 100 years back. Okay. So nobody knows that the Hindi and English centralized or one language. So the people are using the local language. So they can't go anywhere because if they come 100 years, they can't survive because the language communication problem. He wants to say something and you are understanding something, and he wants something and you are giving something. So that is the reason it's creating the problem. So once is centralized, globalized, one language is come, so problem is solved. So all people are coming together, and they are shared different places, different countries. People can visit, and you can go there. Okay, so communication is possibility. Okay, ideas is possible, exchange possibility. Business you can do the is availability. So many things is you can do with the help of the one understandable language. Okay, got my yes. Same like that here in the network for communication purpose. That time they have used their own protocol. Microsoft uses NetView protocol. Apple Talk protocol. Okay, same like that. Different companies different. But the problem is what happens. Suppose here in IBM, if I connect the Microsoft system. So that time, the Microsoft system can communicate to these Apple computers. Alright.
Yes, sir.
I'm asking, these four systems belong to the Apple computers, and they are using this for 1, 2, 3, 4. They use the protocol, is Apple Talk protocol. Okay, so the communication is well and good. Now I add the one more system. This system is belong to Microsoft, and Microsoft is use the NetView protocol. Okay, so I cannot join in the network. So that time, let me know this system can communicate with this four system or not.
If the system is connected to the network, then we can communicate with the systems, other clients.
No, we can communicate or not. That's it. Communicate or not.
No.
That's it.
No, sir. We cannot communicate. There has to be protocol that understands both the systems.
Yes,
Like Apple Talk as well as Microsoft. We have to have any such protocol which understands both the terminology.
Yes. Got the point. So I'm talking about the 30 years back. Suppose this is the company. This is the one company I opened in USA. Same like that company I want to open. IBM want to in India. Okay. So that time I called to the IBM people. Apple company. I want to open a branch office in India. Okay. So you have the service or not? So he said I do have the service. Or he said there is two scenarios. So he said I don't have the scenario. We don't have the service. So that time I am going to call to the Microsoft. So Microsoft said yes, we have a service. So that time what I will do, I will configure my network based on Microsoft, right? So here network based on the Microsoft, here network in USA based on Apple. So now I want to communication between these two. So that time I can communicate or not? I'm talking about that 40, 60 years before, earlier. And Microsoft is its own protocol, and IBM, Apple is its own protocol. That time I can communicate or not?
No, sir, we cannot communicate since both understands the different protocol language. So there has to be some mediator or a translator in between. Then it understands.
Yes. If Apple says, yes, I have service, right? So then So forget MNet, Apple. So I configure Apple. So that time I can configure, I can communicate. Here also Apple, here also Apple. Here Apple Talk Protocol, here also Apple Talk Protocol. So that time I can communicate or not?
Yes, sir. That time we can communicate. Since both are using the same protocol
Yeah.
of communication, then both can communicate.
Yes, but the problem is this is a different country, this is a different country. This is USA, India. In the middle, both the devices are which is help to communication. That device is belongs to some other company. That device is used to different protocol. Got the point?
Yes, sir. Then that protocol also should understand their like protocol. It
So
has
that
to be
device is
compatible.
not-
Then
Yeah.
it understands. If it is not compatible, then communication cannot happen.
Yes. So that is the problem which happened. So that is the reason you can't see 50 years, 40 years be a MNC company in across the globe. Okay, so those people are only that main brand and that within a country. Okay, same like that. So those Bengali people have moved only there, but they know, they understand the Hindi, they get the facility. So that time they can roaming anywhere, they are moving anywhere, they are living anywhere. Okay, got the point when they understand. Same like in the network. So that time the one organization is coming, that is International Standardization Organization. I know maybe you people know about this one.
ISO, you are saying that?
Yes. The what? If you type
International Standard of Organization.
yes, International Standard Organization. Got the point? So what is this? What is this? So this is International Organization, International Standard Body composed. Got the point? In 1947. Clear? 23rd February.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Got the point? So that time the body said, hello guys, hello company. Okay? So you stop whatever the product you are making. You stop. So everyone can stop. Right? See here, problem what happened that time. So you are making the one product, I am also making the product, right? So your product is different, my product is different. So if we are sit in the table, single table, and we are discuss, hello, Mr. So and so company, and this is my company. So I made like this, and you are made like this. So why not we are join and we can make one? So that time you say, okay, do one thing. You can stop your product and make how I am making. Can I agree about this word from this from your word? You said you stop your product making, and how I'm making. So you have to make like that. The problem is solved because my device is same, your device is same. So that time I will going to agree.
There has to be somebody that should give a protocols like you.
Before body.
Before body, if the two companies agree on common terms that we will develop a system wherein we can communicate with internal devices.
No. So that is the first thing is benefit. So that time I will think if I make the product like you, so what is the benefit me? Because you are on the market, already in the market, you are selling. So if I shift it, if I move to your product, so people are, my customer thinking, your product is best, so that is the reason I am going with you. So that is the reason my product is going to be stopped to sell, right? And my customer also going to buy from you, right? Because I shift, I move to you. So that is the reason, if I give the same offer to you, okay, do one thing, I will give them some money, okay? So you stop the product, how you're making. So you make from now how I'm making. So that time you said same like that, okay? So I lost my customer. What I can do with the money? Money will be go 1 year, after 2 years, money whatever money you are giving, so it's gone. But customer, I didn't have any customer, so that time how I can run the company. So this is the problem because every company is seeing the profit, right? So that is the reason this organization first is declared, hello company, we are non-profitable company. We don't want anything. Barabar? And we are not making anything. Just we are give the idea. Just we are give the rule. Okay, we define the rule. Just everybody follow that one company. Because I not make any product. Barabar? You make product. You make product there. But how the product? Okay, what is the physical? What is the logical? And what is the technical thing? How it should be? So we are going to tell you. Barabar? So Usman is making the same land card, and the other also company is making the land card. So that time the organization you also make shape like that, but physical shape like this and internet, these things, technology, these things, everything you have to do. This you follow this thing. So that time Usman said because he's not made, so these guys making we are all making the same thing, right? So this company, this company, this company. So we are not copying anybody, right? So we are taking that option. So why we not take the option from the ISO and we can follow? So that time every company is adopt the rule. Okay, so whatever thing. So in that, so you have to approve this one in that rule. Okay, whatever the policy is there. So if the policy is agreed, so that time they are give the one certificate, okay, and you can make a product and you can sell. So that time, Usman also made the same laptop. I'm also made the laptop. I had also made the same laptop, same RJ45 connector, okay, LAN card connection, internet connection. Every laptop has that. But which company? So which company is making well and good product? So customer get that company. Clear? Who will make best product? Customer get that company. Understand? That's right. So that time, this organization is define the rules or is follow the rules that is come under the picture. The rule is OSI layer. What's the idea? You know how many people know OSI layer?
Sir, this is the same as that OSI model, 7 layers of OSI model.
Yes.
Like
Exactly correct.
like physical, transport, session, application, presentation, all those.
Yes. If you think according to non-technical, so that is the 7 rule. If you're not talking about the technical, if you're talking about the simple way, so that is the 7 rule, not 7 layers. That is the 7 rules. Okay. So in that, so some rule is for developers and some rule for the devices making, manufacturer.
Some rules are for developers and some rules are for devices. Okay.
Devices. Got it right. So application layer, then session layer, presentation layer, okay, transport layer.
Yes, sir. We have 7 layers. It starts with physical and ends with application. 7 layers total.
Yes. From bottom to top,
Yes, sir.
and
Bottom to top
bottom.
hierarchy. Yes, yes, we have. Yes, exactly.
Yes. I'm talking about top to bottom, application layer, presentation layer, session layer, and then transport layer, data
Application.
link layer,
Yes, sir.
physical layer. Okay,
Network,
got that.
data link layer, and physical layer.
Physical layer. We got that. So these 7 layers is according to this, to understanding purpose. So this is the rule. Okay. So in that some rule is for developers, some. So what are the so from 4 you can divide it for understanding purpose. 4 layers or 3 layers is developer purpose and manufacturer's purpose. Okay. So whatever developer is make protocol means in that also we divide into 2 separate parts because see here whatever you are learning so it's make a small pieces so that time you can understand. Okay. So it's very immediately you understand the 7 layers is very difficult. So I make a small pieces to 7 layers. Okay, got it? Fine. So developers is make a protocol, right?
Yes, sir.
Is made, is develop the protocol. So this protocol is divided into 2 things. One protocol is provide the services, one protocol is for the communication purpose.
Okay.
One protocol is services, it will provide the services. Understand? So what are the services? For example, we have server, right? And clients. Right? Now tell me, Usman or anybody, what the server will do? What is the job of the server, the domain controller?
The job of a domain controller is to manage, give the access to the like manage the resources, sir. The resources and services to the end users,
Yes.
clients.
First is providing the service.
Yeah, providing the service. Yes, sir.
Service.
Providing the service
Okay.
and giving
The
the
server.
access. Yes, sir.
Yes, and like. So what we can do with the server, so we can manage, we can control, we can provide the security
Yes.
user level. Okay.
Okay.
So means this server is provide the service, right? So server is provide the service. So how is it required the protocol, right? Service provider protocol. Okay. For example, I will tell you, I will tell you one protocol, HTTP. Which protocol this one?
This is hypertext transfer protocol. Like
Port
we
number?
yeah 8080 yes sir, port number 80. Yes. We have even HTTPS, sir. That is a secured one. One more we have
So
in this.
HTTP, what it will do? With the help of HTTP protocol, what we can do?
Like with the help of HTTP, we can find the IP address of the domain, sir.
No. Web access, website.
Okay, web access. Yes.
With the help, we can access the website. Okay. Now,
Yes.
DHCP, tell me the DHCP. What is the work of the DHCP? What we can do with the DHCP? We can provide the IP address, right?
IP address, yes, sir.
What
IP address.
this protocol is provide the service, right? IP
Services.
service, right? Same
Yes,
like the DNS. DNS also
Domain name system. Yes,
service,
sir.
right? It is
Yes, sir.
service, right? Got the purchase. So that's the services. So these services, what we call, because it provides the service to the client. Okay, got the point. So services. So whatever services is available, that come under the application layer because these are the applications. FTP, HTTP, remote service, okay. DNS, server-based services, FTP.
So, sir, out of 7, like, what are the protocols that comes under service?
Application.
The protocols that comes under service and the protocols that comes under this communication. Can we yes, service, services and communication. You have said 2 things, right?
Yes,
You can categorize the 7 protocols in these two broad domains. So
Yes, yes.
how we can divide, sir, like from top to bottom or bottom to top? What are the layers
That
that comes under service and what are the layers that comes under communication?
that's we are going to discuss.
Okay,
That's
sir.
we are going.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Thank you, sir.
Bhagavan, that's we
Yes,
are
sir.
discussing. So the first we are discussing application, right? Bhagavan, now you get the idea in application layer what the thing is here. Okay, so in application layer, whatever services, base of services, the protocol, you can say services, who will provide the service, provide the services. So that is the come under the application layer. So here application you can create. For example, you are opening the mail, right? You want to type, right? So typing, so which document? Maybe picture, maybe document, whatever thing, right? Clear? So that is come under the because behind that one service is running, right? You can open and page you are typing something. Okay, so behind that one service is running because it provides the service to you, right? So with the help of service, you can able to type and you can able to send and you are able to see you whatever you are writing, right? You can able to watch, you can see. Whatever SMTP, simple message transfer protocol, right? So protocol, so what these also protocol is provide the service, okay? So whatever service the things you provide the service, so that all come under that. So here you are making the application, right? Your letter, email, your upload, your journey. So that is your application. You are creating the application. Otherwise, clear? So that application uniform means services, providing services. So with the help of service. So whatever services is to provide to you and you are using that service, so that service is come under the application layer. If you don't have any protocol, so they will check, okay, this protocol used for what? It's for communication or it's for providing the service? Or it's providing the service, so it belongs to the application layer. What are you? Object is option. The cards are also set. Okay. Sheikh Hussain and Riyaz.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Riyaz.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So you are with me?
Yes, sir. I can hear you.
Okay, okay. So what we discussed? You understand?
No, sir.
No,
Sheikh
sir. No.
Hussain, Riyaz Ahmed. Who's telling the no? Riyaz Ahmed or Sheikh Hussain?
Sir, shall I say sir what we have discussed today up to now?
No, no. I want to know Mr. Riyaz and Sheikh Hussain.
Okay, sir. Okay, no problem.
I will give the time. Okay. Don't bother.
Okay, sir. Okay, go ahead, sir.
Sheikh Hussain, Mr. Sheikh Hussain.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yeah. Did you understand?
No, sir.
No. So, okay, what is the topic we start?
What is the topic?
Yeah. What's the topic for?
Was
What is operating system?
सर OSI लेयर के ऊपर करे सर.
तो ऐसे लेयर के ऊपर कर रहे थे डिस्कशन. ओके. तो मिस्टर रिया Rahman,
Yes, sir.
yes, do you understand?
Sir, I joined the class, but sir, here not concentrated on the class due to some work. Just now I have been freed.
Okay. Sheikh Hussain and Mr. Here, we are discussing about the OSI layer, right?
Okay,
So
sir.
before OSI layer, so how it will become, just history, how it will become, we are discussing. What is the reason to OSI layer? So what is the OSI layer? Okay. So how it will become? So one organization is define these things. Okay. So this is it's one type of the rule. So how to communicate one device to another device and how to provide the service to the devices. Okay. This all the rules who will define that OSI layer. In the OSI layer we can find. Okay. Got the point? So
Yeah,
this the OSI is nothing but rules to define the rule how to communication, and in that we divided some rules for developers, some rules for devices making, who will make the devices. Okay. So which type of the devices he make and in which category, which layer the device is belong to. Okay, got the point. So this, if you make a this device, okay, this device and this device is working, okay. So that time when you register, when you are going to register, so OSI will say this device you are making, this device belongs to this layer, this layer, this layer. Okay, got the point. If you develop the one protocol, so that time you getting the certificate, okay. So ISO, so that time they are get this protocol, this whatever you develop, this system under this layer. So there, okay, got the point. So based on the layer and based on the devices, we need to follow the rule. The rule is OSI layers. Okay, got the point. With the help of OSI layer, we can communicate. Okay, if you understand the OSI layer well and good, so you can understand 60% technology.
Okay.
If you understand the OSI layer, that's it. OSI layer is the important thing. If you understand the OSI layer, each and everything, so that's it. 60% network you can understand. Got the point? So main core, because everything would be devices, protocol, everything is come under the OSI layer. All devices, all protocol, all service protocol, everything. So that is the reason server, we can say server and server system is layer 7 because it works on layer 7. Got the point? So that is, for example, I'm giving the example. Why we call 7-layer system computer? Okay, server is a layer 7 device. See here, when you start the system, you are typing and you are open anything you are typing. So that is the application layer. Means you are working, you are creating some document, right? That is the application layer. Got the point? And you are sending to something, or you are sending to another your mail. So when you open, so that time what you have written, okay, what is written, it should be shown the same way, right? You are sending the picture, your picture, but it's showing that some other picture. Not like that, right? Got
Okay.
So whatever you're sending, whatever you written, same content I need to see in different system and whom do I send. So that guy also need to work. So how? The presentation, that is come under the presentation. How it will. So where you see in the system, right? System. For that one transmission, session layer is manage your session because you are downloading in the system, you are downloading something movie file, okay, some drivers you are installing, some application you are installing, some tools you are installing. So till that time, from server to client you are installing, so you need to make your session to clear. So manage the session, okay, manage the session, terminate the session, okay, got the point? So once you finish, automatically it will be terminate the session. Otherwise, your data will lost. Okay. Otherwise, your call will lost. So that is the reason session layer is there. So session layer is come when you do in the system because you download it. Session layer, and then which transport layer? Because who will transfer? Because transport layer, how three handshake is happen. Okay, transfer between client to server. So many things happen in that because I'm not going to this because one by one layer will discuss each and everything. Okay. So for just example purpose, I'm telling you. See, transport layer is transport the data. Okay, transport the data in that which protocol is using TCP, UDP protocol is using. Okay, so in TCP, UDP and devices, which devices you are using. So system is using the TCP and UDP protocol. So that is the reason for layer 4. Okay, and layer 3 protocol is the protocol is IP address. So we are assigned IP address to the system. So that is the reason this system is come under the layer 3 device. Got the point. Same like the network MAC address because system is understand the MAC address. So you are assigned the MAC address. We can change the MAC address. So that is the reason layer. And physical because cable we can connect to the system. Okay, so system to laptop. So that is come under the layer 1. So total from top to bottom, bottom to top, all layers is working on the system. So that is the reason we can call system is a layer 7 device. Okay. But some devices is not work all these things. Okay. For example, switch can understand only MAC address. That's it. So that is the reason which device is understand the MAC address. So this device is layer 2 device because MAC address is understand. So which device? Router can understand only IP addressing. Okay, IP address. Okay, so it can understand other language. Okay, FTP. So that is the reason router we call layer 3 device. Okay, got the point? But our system is working on all 7 layers. So that is the reason system is a layer 7 device. Clear? Sheikh Hussain, Mr. Riyaz.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
In each layer, what is the rule? What is the thing? Whatever protocol is there. So we are going to discuss that one. So application layer, for application layer. So in application layer, whatever services is provided, whatever protocol, you can say that because we are going to talk about the network. This is the network. So I'm not talking about the service. I'm talking about the protocol. So whatever the protocol is provide the service that come under the application layer. Okay, application layer. So in that FTP, HTTP, remote service, SMTP, okay, DNS, these all services provide services to the client or system. So that is the reason come under the application layer. Clear? Am I right, Mr. Usman?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Exactly, sir. With that example you explained, sir, all 7 layers just now, how the thing goes when we send an email. You explain with an example.
Yes.
We really
Clear?
got it. Yes, sir.
Now, Sheikh Hussain and Riyaz Ahmad.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clear.
Now you understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, right. So now move on. So this is the creating, right? Creating, and now you are sending. Slides, everything is there. So I'm not going to slide because if you are concentrated with everything is the slide. So once you understand each and everything, so I will show the slides. Okay, oh, this is it. And after that, you can explain in that one, in that one. That is like a, you are the exam and like your test, everything. Okay, so don't mind. So don't worry. Okay, not the slides, everything is there. Okay, because that is a slightly my method is different. Okay, clear. So here, application layer. Okay, second layer. What is the name of the second layer? Tell me. Anyone? Sheikh Hussain or Riyaz?
Second layer is presentation.
Mr. Usman?
Yes, sir.
Riyaz Ahmad?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Presentation layer.
What you said, sir? Can you repeat your question, sir? Sorry.
Second layer name. After
Second-
application, which layer? Which layer? Which layer? After application.
After application, we have presentation layer, sir. Like from top to bottom. If you are coming from top to bottom, the
Yeah.
second layer which we get after application, below it, we have presentations.
See here. Present. What? With the name we can understand presentation layer. Present means it show whatever you are seeing. The presentation layer is the work of the presentation layer. Clear? So what it should be show. So means original form of the data. It should be present to you, right? It's shown to you. Clear? But now tell me, can system can understand the English, picture, anything, colors?
No, sir. The
No,
system
sir, no.
understands the language of
Only
binary.
binary numbers, one
Yes.
zeros.
Right.
It
But if I send something, for example,
understands the
slide.
language of zeros and ones.
Yes. For example, I send to you all. If I say, so exactly what I'm going to send you, this color, everything, slide's name, everything. Okay, OSL is slide. So OSL is on name, colors, everything, on content, everything you have seen. Like from here I send it, you are receiving and you are open. So, but system is not understand. Okay, so system is not sending the same directly file, right? So something process is happen between this your system to my system to reach this information, this file. Okay, between the something is happened with these things, right? What am I? So that thing is responsible for presentation layer. So presentation layer, what it will do? So it will convert original form to machine format. And technically, you can say the name ASCII format, American Standard like that, okay?
American Standard Code for Information Intelligence, ASIC
Yeah.
values we have, no sir? For
Yes,
each
yeah.
value of the keyboard, we have an equivalent ASIC value, right? Whichever
Yeah.
key we press in the keyboard, equivalency, the machine will understand ones and zeros. There is an equivalent conversion of ASIC.
Exactly. So that is converting, means your original form data is converted to that machine language, machine format. Right? Understanding? Because I'm not using the more technical words, okay? So when I move ahead, so that time I'm using the technical words, okay, Gaurav, for understanding, because this is the important. If you understanding these things, so then we can go, okay, Gaurav. Even I'm not talking about the ASCII format, just I'm telling machine format to means understandable format to machine format means sensible format to unsensible format. Understand? So that is the machine format, binary, whatever. So it's convert to that one. So when the machine format is convert, so machine can understand, right? So and machine can give this is the signal, this is the whatever I need to forward. Got it? So I'm sending to particular mail or particular thing, and you're downloading, right? If I send it, so you should be downloading, right? The slides, whatever.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you are going to download means when I send, so that is some location, right? Is going to be saved some location. You
Yes,
are going
location.
to connect to that location and downloading the file, right?
Yes, sir.
So downloading, so that time, first thing your system is bad on antenna. First your system is going to check either that where the information is stored, that application, that server is available or not. First is going to check. Right? So that is called establish the session. So that is come under the session layer responsibility.
Yes, sir.
Because I'm sending, because I'm taking and it's converting. When I convert a transfer, so this time this is going to check my Gmail server. Okay, and because I'm sending to server, so first is go to the whatever server storage. So that server is available or not. First is going to check it. That is the establishment. So my connection is going to establishment. Is established. Got it? So he's responsible, yes, and available. So that time is sending the data. So he needs to manage the information, manage the session. Because see here, I give the example. I want to call to Mr. Tahir, right? So in my device, whatever understanding application is number, so I'm typing the number and call. So see here, before Mr. Tahir bell ringing, so I heard 3, 4 tick like sound, big sound. Right? sound 1, 2, 3. If after 3, 4 beats, immediately Tahir phone rings. I heard the ring bell. I heard bell, right? So
Yes,
that, yes, 2, 3 sound, what is that? So 3, 3 sound means my devices is going to check Mr. Tahir phone is available or not. First thing. So it's available, so ring will start. It's not available, he check. Either is not network is not available or his phone switch off. So network is not available, so his reply to me means I get the message different. Temporarily means whatever in the non-coverage area in network, right? If switch off, so I get whatever switch off, the mobile destination mobile is switch off, right? Clear? How do you know? Because I heard this one, so some, because woman is telling, so means that some logical woman is there inside. Okay, some girl is there inside my phone. She is logically going and checking Mr. Tahir's phone and come and telling to me. This happened like that? Not. Right? So means some mechanism is there. The mechanism is there. So first is going to check is okay, everything is okay, then destination. So that time your communication is done. So when is the bell ringing, Mr. Tahir is left the phone. So I need that means the technical thing is manage the call, calls are managed, right? Because one voice is coming and after that second voice is coming, so that time is unmanageable because the sound and hearing problem is come, right? So when I send the slide, so Mr. Smart downloading, so when he click on downloading, so from the server is downloading the client, so he's going to check the server is available or not. This time, yes, server is available. Now it's downloading. Till the downloading, you should be manage the connection, Clear? If this manage the connection is disconnected, so that's what happens. Usman doesn't get the file completely. Okay, so something is happened. Okay, because EXE file you are downloading, when you try to install, so that time it gives the error. It's corrupted, file is corrupted, anything, because something is happened with all file is not come here downloading and something is disconnect and connected, so that time its file is corrupted or file is damaged. So should we manage the station, whatever station from download? Clear? No. Now it is downloading, the smart is downloading, and we are my talk is completed with Mr. Tahir, right? So Mr. Tahir cut the phone, but from my side I didn't cut the phone. So that's what will happen. So my data or talking balance, everything is gone. Right? So that is the reason when Tahir is disconnected. So from my side also it should be disconnected. From both sides, both ends. So when Usman is complete the download, so because Usman is not click on complete download, because automatically the session is disconnected, right? I don't know how many people are downloading and they are observing these things, right? Whatever files and whatever movies, whatever applications, whatever software you are downloading, so automatically when it's complete, automatically disconnected, right? Any guys is observed this one? Okay. Hello. You hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We are with you, sir.
Yes. So what I said, yeah, what I'm asking, no one can answer me.
Yes, sir. You are asking that have we faced that issue or have we observed that?
Yes, that one. You automatically disconnected after downloading completion. You're not downloading anything, Mr. Usman, till now.
Yes, sir.
You are observing that one? When you see that things happen, once the downloading complete. No.
Yes, sir. Like during the downloading, have we faced any problems? You are saying, sir, about that?
No, after complete the download, complete,
Yes.
you are completed download. So that
Yes.
session automatically disconnected, or you need to completely close, okay, download complete, finish, like that option is become.
No, like now it automatically gets ended, sir. Like
Yes,
after we finish a download, usually
yes,
like the system is like that. Like
yes,
you were giving an example of the phone, no, sir. Like
yes,
sometimes we forgot to cut the phone. Both the sides usually forgot to cut the
yes,
phone. So at that time the phone goes on and on. Like so at least anybody from either a transmitter or receiver has to cut from his end. Then actually phone gets disconnected.
yes. Got my point? Understand? So the responsibility is establish the session, manage the session, terminate the session. Now, presentation layer for converting purpose is using the ASCII format, right? For the technology converting purpose. Again, when he is receiving the file, means you are downloading, again presentation layer need to show to you exactly. So again, it convert multi format to original format. Clear? Got that, yeah?
Yes, sir.
Understand presentation layer?
Yes, sir.
Simple, you can say presentation is nothing but to convert data original format to machine format and machine format. And which type of format? ASCII format. How it happens? So you can say the technical thing. Okay, that we discuss all this. Clear? What one? Session layer doesn't have, because session layer is just technology. Okay, Gaurav? So session layer has the technology. So that technology for what one? For establish the session, to manage the session, to terminate the session. Clear? Gaurav? Guys, now that is
Yes, sir.
three. Yes, yes. So because transport layer is very many things we need to discuss. Okay. So I want to continue to transport layer tomorrow. Okay. So not because it starts to take the 10 minutes. Only introduction is happen. Okay. So that is the transport layer. So many things we need to discuss. The important there. Okay. So I will stop here. This is anything you want to ask about this thing. Because only these two many classes are going to be slow. After that, we need to move. Okay, this is because what is like maximum technology you can understand. Inshallah, I will try to my best to explain understanding here many things in OSI list. But if I explain here with two sides, okay, so that time easily you can understand the further. Okay, so the cause also and devices also. So everything you can compare with the old. This is the layer 3 device, layer 4 device. Oh, this is the protocol, this is the device. Okay, so it will be what, okay, this device is for communication purpose. Okay, so communication method, oh, is like this is communication. Okay, first you need to configure communication purpose. This is the command you need to use. Okay, so that time is become very easy. Anything? What the heck? Yes, Sheikh Hussain. Muhammad Amir.
No, sir, clear.
Muzammil Syed.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Clear.
sir.
Whatever you explained today, it's clear, sir.
Clear is not clear. You have to memorize. Okay, memorize. Okay. Because already yesterday I told you everything is linked to another
Yeah.
topic. One
Yeah.
link is connected to another link, right?
Yes, sir.
If you not understand the one topic, so you can't understand the second topic. Okay,
Yeah,
Robert? So every topic is linked with the next topic.
Yes, sir.
That is the
Okay.
so obviously if you are come exactly 2 o'clock, so 2 to 5 minutes, whatever I can revision or whatever doubts you have, you can ask previous class. So 5 minutes, 6 minutes.
Yes,
So
sir.
that is the purpose.
Yes, sir.
Because we are joining late, so we don't have the, because already we have the less time, 1 hour, okay. So in 1 hour, I need to explain that 1 hour, so I need to ask you before, okay. Because if I continue, I will take that class, my responsibility is over, right? But
Yes, sir.
our aim, to understand the person, understand the people, okay, to know the technology, that is, we doesn't get, right? So we thinking like Mr. Nadeep said like that in the previous video. So one person is get the job, one person is get the job for our training, so that is enough for us. Okay, for the, so think if all are doing the job, so that time, so we can, this society can do the more things about this, our people, our society. For the one. So we take care, guys, and inshallah I will share the slides. Okay, you can see the slides or for that tomorrow also you can prepare yourself. Okay, clear?
Yes, sir.
Anything else?
Yes, sir. First, we will revise like from tomorrow onwards. What you said, what we have done in the last like this in very
Yeah.
brief. So
Yes, only
with that,
within 5 minutes. Within
yes,
5
sir.
minutes I can
Within
do it.
5 to 8 minutes maximum.
Yes.
So it will be
Nothing.
like a revision for us.
Yes. But it's 2 to 5,
Yes, sir.
not 5 to 10, 10 to 15, right? 2 to
Yes,
5.
sir.
That's it.
Yes, sir. Yes, 2 to 5 minutes. Okay, sir.
Yes. Okay, take care. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.